Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to block a bank account. Call your bank's emergency number immediately and verify your identity to freeze access. Use the bank app or website to lock cards and change passwords after calling. Note transaction holds and ask about pending payments and automatic debits. Request written confirmation and a new account or card if needed. Keep records of names, times, and reference numbers for recovery. Start by contacting your bank using the official phone number or secure app to report the issue. Authenticate with known security details and ask them to freeze the account or block specific cards. Check recent transactions and dispute any unauthorized charges immediately. Change online banking passwords and enable multi-factor authentication where available. Finally, request confirmation and keep track of case numbers to simplify recovery and any future disputes. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical guides. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after a stressful banking call. It's a small comfort that helps. I mention it because little comforts can make recovery tasks feel lighter. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After blocking, the bank generally pauses activity while investigating and may issue a temporary hold on funds. Expect clear instructions about replacing cards, updating automatic payments, and next steps for disputes. You might need to submit documentation such as ID or police reports for fraud claims. Keep monitoring accounts and follow up if timelines slip. Stay patient but persistent, and keep records of every interaction and promise deadlines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.